everyone, welcome back to Wall Curtains. Today, we've got an exciting video for you all. We're diving into the world of thrifting and DIY home decor flips, where we'll be transforming budget-friendly thrift items into high-end masterpieces. If you're a fan of sprucing up your space without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our creative content. Now, let's jump right in. DIY Project 1, Vintage Mirror Makeover. Our project is this gorgeous vintage mirror I snagged at the thrift store for just a few bucks. It has so much potential, but it needs a little love. First, we'll clean it up, then show you a simple yet effective technique to give it that high-end, antique finish. Let's dive in. Step 1. Cleaning and painting. Step 1. Give your thrifted mirror a good cleaning. Now, let's apply a base coat of paint. I'm using this elegant gold color to achieve that luxe look. Step 2. Detailing and distressing. Time for the magic touch. We're going to add some detailing and distress the edges to give it that perfect vintage vibe. It's all about those small details that make a big difference. Look at that transformation. Final reveal. And there you have it, a stunning vintage mirror that looks like a high-end piece you'd find in a designer showroom. DIY Project 2, Upcycled Plant Stand. Our next project is turning this old, worn-out plant stand into a chic accent piece. Let's see how we can elevate it on a budget. Step 1. Painting. First, let's give this plant stand a fresh coat of paint. I'm going for a sleek matte for that modern touch. Step 2. Adding details. Now, to take it to the next level, I'll be adding some geometric shapes with gold paint. It's a simple trick that makes a big impact. Final reveal. Voila! Our once neglected plant stand is now a stylish statement piece. I can't wait to find the perfect plant to showcase this beauty. Well, that wraps up today's video of DIY thrifted home decor flips. I hope you enjoyed these transformations as much as I did. Remember, with a little creativity and some DIY magic, you can turn thrifted treasures into high-end home decor. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it inspiring, and subscribe for more budget-friendly DIY ideas.